Hey guys, today, we're diving into the world of LinkedIn, your one-stop shop for landing that dream job. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a fresh graduate, this guide will turn your profile into a recruiter magnet. Hello and welcome to my channel Modern Recruiter, your one-stop shop for navigating the ever-changing job market. We'll equip you with the tips, tricks, and strategies to land your dream job. From crafting killer resumes to ACING interviews, we've got you covered. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to unlock your career potential. First things first, your profile. It's your digital resume, so make it shine. Pro picture and banner, ditch the selfies. Use a professional headshot with a friendly smile. For your banner, showcase your industry or a relevant design. Headline and summary. Your headline is prime real estate. Craft a clear, concise statement highlighting your skills and target role. The summary section is your chance to tell your professional story. Briefly explain your experience, achievements, and career goals. Keywords are king. Research keywords relevant to your field and sprinkle them throughout your profile. This helps recruiters find you in searches. Experience and education. Detail your work history, including responsibilities and accomplishments. Use bullet points and quantifiable results to showcase your impact. Don't forget to list your educational background and achievements. Skills and endorsements. List your key skills and ask colleagues to endorse them. While endorsements are helpful, focus on building a strong skills section. Recommendations. Request recommendations from past employers, supervisors, or clients. Positive testimonials add credibility to your profile. Now, let's move beyond the static profile. Become a LinkedIn rockstar. Engage and connect. Actively participate in industry discussions. Share relevant articles, comment thoughtfully, and join groups related to your field. Connect with recruiters, colleagues, and people you admire in your industry. Content is king. Share valuable content that showcases your expertise. Write insightful posts, participate in discussions, or even publish long-form articles using LinkedIn's publishing platform. Network like a pro. Don't just connect, build relationships. Reach out to people in your field for informational interviews. Open to work. Signal your availability by turning on the Open to Work feature. This lets recruiters know you're actively seeking new opportunities. So that's it from my side. Thanks for sticking around until the very end. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you think your friends might like it too, hit that share button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. While you're here, be sure to check out some of my previous videos. There's a lot of great stuff in there you might have missed. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.